Hi, welcome to our We Play Along Around the House series, and today we're in the backyard.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play, play, play along. Come on and play along.
Okay, so today we're here in the backyard, and if you can see here, we have a lawn. So this would be the sign for grass and then an area. So this would be like the lawn. Over here there's a counter with the barbecue. So for barbecue, this is counter, then barbecue would be a BBQ. Okay? Down here, we're my friend Janet's house. This is her dog, Izzy. So sign for dog is you're going to pat your side and snap your finger. And she's so cute. Behind me is a fence and a gate. So the sign for fence, you're going to do your hands like this, like four hands, and then you're going to bring them out. This would be fence. And then for the gate, you're going to put your fingers together like this and then swing the one open and shut. So this is fence. That's this part. And then over here we have the gate like that. Down here, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a sprinkler down there. For sprinkler, you're going to do water. This is a sign for water. And then you're going to put your elbow on your hand and kind of swing just kind of sway it back and forth like this, what the sprinkler would do if it was spraying water. So this is sprinkler. Up here, I don't know, can you see the wind chimes? We've got some wind chimes up here. Oh, there's one back here. This is a sign for wind and music. Or we could do maybe wind and then like the sign for bell for the wind chimes. Very pretty. Okay, so we're going to walk over here on the other side of the yard. So here we are in the patio area. So now for patio, we're going to do outside and like an area. This would be the sign for outside. So this is the patio, and there's a table here and some chairs. So table because it's flat. Be table and chairs, like two legs hanging over the edge of the seat. Ooh, back here's another pretty wind chime. And we've got some flowers. So for flowers, you're going to make like a cupped O hand to both sides of your nose, because that's what you do with flowers, right? You smell them. And over there are a bunch of trees. You can see them behind me over here. That's kind of in the neighbor's house over there. Okay, so for neighbor, you're going to make one hand, make a fist, and put this hand and move it over and then come down. Like this would be our person indicator. So we've got a lot of trees over there in the neighbor's house. Okay, so let's review. We have grass and the lawn area. There was a sprinkler, table, chairs, wind chimes. What else do we have over there? Oh, the barbecue and the counter that was back over there on the other side, and lots of flowers and pretty trees. Anyway, this is our outside area. So thank you for joining us in our Around the House series, and be sure you stay tuned. And if you haven't yet subscribed, would you please do that? Okay, thank you. We'll see you next time.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play, play, play along.